Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Brawl Stars on your mobile device. If you want to download and install Brawl Stars on your mobile device, then watch the video till the end. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and if you are using Android, open up your Google Play Store. If you are using iOS, open up your App Store. Go to the search bar at the top and type in Brawl Stars. Once you find the application in the search result, go ahead and open it up. Make sure you are downloading the application from Supercell and then tap on the install or the get button. Wait for the application to download and install, which might take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be installed. After the application is installed, tap on Open to start playing Brawl Stars on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.